I wanted a way to add lasting greenery to my porch without the constant upkeep. These forest prints artificial Boston ferns are the perfect solution. They look so real you'd never guess they're artificial. Each set comes with two large bundles, each measuring about 23 inches tall, with 39 lifelike fronds that spread out to 35 inches wide. I placed mine in foam and topped it with dirt for a realistic planter effect. The leaves are made of silk and plastic with bendable wire inside, so you can easily shape them for a full natural look. They're durable, washable, and weather resistant. Mine have held up through heavy thunderstorms and even tornado warnings without losing their shape or color. These ferns bring lush, year round greenery to any space, whether it's your porch, living room, or garden, without the hassle of maintenance. If you want beauty and convenience, Forest Prints Boston Ferns are a fantastic choice.